You say you want success, but you sleep in until noon. You want success, but avoid the grind. Success isn't about wishes, it's about relentless action. Wake up early, push through fatigue, and make sacrifices. Confront your fears, take risks, and persevere through failure. Show up daily, invest in yourself, and embrace the grind. Prioritize your vision over short-term pleasures. Success is earned through hard work and determination. Rise up, take action, and make your success story happen. Your journey to success starts now.